So 3 months down the line, you're wondering, but I thought this cover was good. Staff are complaining. You have so many issues at hand. You've now become the insurance person, getting calls at night, being asked, this card is not working, help. Stay tuned to find out what you can do as a HR manager or a business owner of a small company when you're buying medical cover. You have finally decided to buy medical insurance for your staff, and now you're bombarded by various quotations, all claiming they are the best. And you wonder, where do I start? Especially if you're a small business owner or a startup, don't have the resources, or you've never handled this before. Where do you start? Especially if you're a HR manager or a business owner in a small startup company or a business. When it comes to choosing medical insurance, you don't want to make a wrong choice, because this is the health of the team that takes care of your business. You don't want 3 months or 6 months down the line, you're hearing complaints left, right. I mean, you want your team focused on doing what you hired them to do. My name is Brian of 18 Africa Insurance Agency, and I help you break down the complexities of medical insurance for small businesses and startups. I get it. It can be overwhelming, but my goal is to simplify this process for you, step by step. Today, we are focusing on ICT and tech sector. Why? Because the team is young, tech savvy, and growing very fast. Worry not, other sectors, we shall handle them in future episodes. So what's the first thing we look at? Growth potential and adaptability. Picture this, your company doubles in size within a year. You have hired 5 new developers within the year. You need a plan that can adapt, that can add these new 5 developers without costing you an arm and a leg. So what questions can you ask your insurer in this case? Ask them, what will it cost for me to add a member midterm? It's a very key question, because some insurers, you have to pay a certain amount or a minimum amount. So what are we looking for? We are looking for a cover that will be able to add or even delete the members midterm. And where you delete, is there a refund if the member has not claimed? Or is there a refund if the member has claimed on some of the benefits? So key thing to look at is the benefits and the premium that will be charged. Flexibility matters. I once helped a startup that grew so fast. Now midterm, they wanted to charge us the full premium. So a lot of back and forth, and they couldn't budge. So eventually, the client paid, but told me, let us move once the year ends. So to avoid all those issues, you want an insurer who will grow with you and understand you as you grow, not one that will put roadblocks and cause you headaches. This being a young team, you don't expect many admissions. So you want an insurance also that takes care of them preventatively. Do they allow for screen fatigue? Most of the members are sitting in front of screens almost the whole day. Do they allow for things like blue light? How are their wellness programs? Are they the one size fits all that you're told we shall come and do an annual checkup, let's say in the month of October? And let's talk about mental health. The tech industry, because of the long working hours, are prone to burnout and sometimes exhaustion. Are these covered under your policy? So counseling And mental health should not be optional, it should be essential. Ask for specifics. Is it virtual? Is it in person? Is it a group therapy or group counseling? And where will this cost come from? Will it be deducted from the staff's benefit, or the insurance company will bear the cost? Mental health support helps your team stay productive and engaged, which are crucial for your company to stay competitive in the tech space. Telemedicine and virtual consultations is a third point to look at. Being in a tech space, your team is comfortable dealing with digital tools. So why not take advantage of the insurance companies that offer that? Because it saves them time and money. It's a big plus for remote teams who want quick access to medical care, especially for the small ailments, not the serious ones. The fourth one is fast and efficient claims. No one wants to wait for ages for their claims to be paid for. You want fast and efficient, preferably through a digital platform. So what do you ask for? You ask for the turnaround times for their claims processing. Of course, most of them will tell you 10 days, others will tell you 14 days. Ask around. There are those that pay claims faster without much hassle, because you don't want your team to waste their energy following up on claims when that energy could be focused on growing or maintaining your business. So there you have it, a simplified way to navigate medical insurance for tech and ICT sector. So again, the 4 things to focus on: scalability, employee well-being, fast and efficient claims processing, telemedicine, or convenience. Offering the right medical insurance cover isn't about just compliance. It's about the powerful tool to attract and retain top talent. In the competitive tech industry, the best people want to know that their health and well-being is a priority. If you're in a different industry, don't worry, your episode is coming soon. I will be touching other industries like the retail, hospitality, clothing, the other industry. Maybe you can put the ones that you want me to tackle on the comments just to make your work easier. I'm here to help you feel confident in making the right decision for your team. Remember, taking care of your team's health isn't just about medical insurance. It's about investing in your people and making sure they have the support to thrive.